In China, there are factories with zero human workers. No shifts, no breaks, no sleep, only machines that never stop. These AI-powered factories run in total darkness, producing goods 24/7 without a single person on the floor. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's the new face of industry, one where humans are no longer required. So what exactly are these factories? They're called dark factories or lights-out factories because they can run entirely on automation, robotics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning systems that handle every step of production without human help. In fact, China is leading this transformation. Under its national plan Made in China 2025, the country aims to become the global leader in advanced manufacturing. And automation plays a huge role in that vision. According to the International Federation of Robotics, China installed over 290,000 industrial robots in 2022. That's more than half of all new robots deployed worldwide. These robots aren't just assisting humans, they're replacing them. Take Xiaomi's smart factory in Beijing, for example. It's an 81,000 square meter plant that can produce 10 million smartphones every year, and it's almost completely run by AI. Robots handle assembly, testing, and packaging with minimal human supervision. There are no lunch breaks, no shifts, and no human errors. The factory can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. At first glance, it sounds perfect: factories that never sleep, products made faster, cheaper, and with almost no mistakes. Energy use even drops, since you don't need lights, heating, or air conditioning for human comfort. But behind this efficiency there is a threat. What happens when machines no longer need us? Automation has always promised progress. Yet now, we're entering a stage where machines can not only build things but also decide how to improve themselves. These AI-driven systems constantly collect data, adjust production speeds, detect errors, and even order maintenance robots, all without human help. This total efficiency comes with a price: total dependence on machines. If a system crashes, gets hacked, or malfunctions, humans can't just walk in and fix it immediately because they're no longer part of the process. And what about the people? The same workers who once assembled phones, packed boxes, or managed shifts are now being replaced by robotic arms and algorithms. A study by Oxford Economics estimated that by 2030, up to 20 million manufacturing jobs could be lost to robots worldwide, many of them in Asia. This isn't just about losing jobs, it's about losing control. Factories that once depended on human hands now depend on lines of code. Every improvement, every update, every decision handled by AI. And while humans rest, these machines keep evolving, learning, and optimizing. A few years ago, the idea of a factory that could be run by AI felt like science fiction. Today, it's just standard business practice. China may be leading, but it's not the only one. Japan's Fanuc Corporation operates fully lights-out factories where automation builds other robots. In the United States, Tesla's gigafactories use AI to monitor and adjust production in real time. Meanwhile, in Germany, companies like BMW and Siemens are creating smart factories powered by automation, reshaping how products are designed, built, and delivered around the world. These systems are all connected through the Internet of Things (IoT), which means every machine and sensor can talk to each other. They can spot problems early, fix small errors on their own, and even order new materials automatically. It's like watching an ecosystem of machines running an economy of their own. But while robots build the future, millions of workers around the world are being left behind. Entire towns that once thrived on factory jobs are now facing uncertainty. The human cost of this revolution is harder to see because it's hidden behind efficiency reports and productivity graphs. It's not just an economic issue, it's an ethical one. How far should we let automation go? Should there be limits on human replacement? AI factories will create new kinds of jobs requiring programmers, engineers, data analysts, and that humans will move to more creative roles. But the truth is, these jobs often require high-level technical skills that many workers don't yet have access to. So, while a handful of people design and monitor the systems, millions more could find themselves without a place in this new economy. And then there's another concern. What happens if we become so dependent on AI that we can't control it anymore? AI is innovation, but it's also a warning. Because when machines start making decisions about themselves, humans slowly fade from the loop. The truth is, the rise of AI factories is unstoppable. They bring undeniable benefits: higher productivity, precision, and global competitiveness. But if we want to stay relevant, humans will need to adapt faster than ever before. That means focusing on skills that machines can't replace: creativity, emotional intelligence, complex problem solving, and ethical decision making. Governments and companies will also need to invest in reskilling programs to prepare workers for the jobs of tomorrow, from AI maintenance specialists to robotics designers. The future doesn't have to be humans versus machines. It can be humans with machines, if we learn how to share control, not surrender it. We built machines to make our lives easier. But somewhere along the way they started running without us. In China and beyond, the lights are off yet production never stops. When machines no longer need us, who's really in charge? Are AI factories a symbol of progress or the moment humanity lost control? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more AI updates.